Hey everyone, so my name is Shay and today I'm going to basically unbox, use and review the BT9000 Prestige by Philips, the shaver. Now just three quick things. Firstly, basically during lockdown I ended up growing hair everywhere, like I ended up looking like a Sasquatch, and basically I decided that, you know what, I'm going to try and keep a short beard. So what I ended up doing is growing everything out. It wasn't just my beard, my hair as well, and then the barbers like really shaped it up nicely, and then I wanted to kind of replicate the same thing. So that's why I bought this product. Second thing is basically I have very thick hair, and it grows in all directions. So when the barber like kind of cuts using cut-throat blade my hair on my face, it ends up bleeding because it's so thick, and I have a cut-throat blade myself and it does the same thing. It's not a line, it's I can't explain it, it's not like a bad cut, it's just the way my beard grows. So the point is if this basically can get through the hair on my face, it will definitely get through the hair on your face. And third thing is there's a little bit of confusion at the moment currently to this product, the name of it, try and find information about it, which is what prompted me to make this video. This product is called the BT9000 Prestige. Sometimes it's called BT9810, so 9810 Prestige. But Philips have also released something called the Series 9000, which is a wet drive shave, which has got those three circles, and then they also have something called, I think, the Series 9000, which is basically the same product, but it had a laser on it, and then that got basically discontinued. So yes, this is the BT9000 Prestige. So I haven't got it yet, so it should come today. So yeah, let's unbox it and let's do a shave. Okay, so let's unbox this. Sorry guys, I was just checking because I thought it was open, but you get this box, so you can see clearly what's written, BT9000 Prestige. Side. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so when first opening it, it looks like there's some information here. Here's the device or the trimmer, which is in the case. So I'm just gonna put that aside, and then yeah, let's have a look what else there is. So there's a warranty card here. There's the extra head, and I believe this is to adjust it to larger trimming sizes, and then I think just under this flap there'll be the charger and everything else. So yeah, there's a charger which is here, so I just put that here. We have the lubricating oil, we have a brush, which is a coarse brush, which is used to obviously remove the hair, and then yeah, I believe it's just some information, and that's really it. Okay, so this is everything you get. Again, the charger, the extra head, the oil, and the brush, and this is obviously the case, which is quite nice. Yeah, it's quite a nice case. And then this is the trimmer, and it's really nice actually. It's nice and heavy. It's a solid weight to it. Just want to show you up close so you guys can see. So I believe when you want to clean, you just, yeah, it's pretty easy. Wow, pretty cool. Okay, and then this is the on button. It looks like it needs to be charged. So you can do a 5-minute charge, I believe, for one shave, but an hour will give you a full charge, and it will last around, I think, 120 minutes. It's around 2 hours of use, and that's obviously a charging port.
Now I just want to go over this because this really confused me when people talk about it, but it's really simple. So without the head, and this just raw by itself, you look at the top number. So it goes up to 5, as you can see, and the minimum grade, or millimeters, depending on which country you are, you'll say it's 0.4. But when you put on this, and I'm going to try and put it on with one hand, let's see if I can. Yeah. You then start looking at the bottom number. So then after that, it goes from 5.4 to 10. Okay, cool. So let's put this on charge, see what it looks like, and then yeah, go for a shave. Okay guys, let's put it on charge, see what happens. Okay, so let's come back when it's fully charged and see what it looks like then. It does advise to charge the full thing before use, and to be honest, mine just didn't switch on, so yeah, I think it needed a full charge. So see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so it's been an hour exactly, and all three lights have lighted up and nothing is flashing. One thing to note was at the beginning when I switched on the charger, you notice a little red light. That red light flashes, and it will come on when you need to oil the front of the blade. So it's just something good to note. So let's turn it on and see what it sounds like. Sounds like something you'd get at the hairdressers or barbers. It's like a professional kind of sound. It feels like it's gonna completely shred everything off my face. So let's check it out.
Alright everyone, so yeah, let's begin. So firstly, I just realised that there's a fan here which is making noise. Sorry if that's getting into the audio. Yeah, I'm just really sorry about that. So I'm going to start now. I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to try and make this like 0.6 initially, and then this area darker, this darker as well, same length, same thing as this side, and then try and tidy up these lines. And we use a cutthroat blade to really shape it up. So yeah, let's begin. So my initial thoughts is, yeah, it's pretty cool. It's done a good job, I think, in getting this to, yeah, to 0.6. Now, the thing with this is, you have to, I think for me, you have to get it to this kind of plane on the skin, and then it cuts quite well. I think it'll be different when you do higher grades. So yeah, let's finish up the other side, and then let's do the higher grade. Okay guys, so I'm still I'm complete novice at this, but basically when the barber initially shaped it up, he messed it up on this side, and it doesn't help that I have a patch here. It's a little bit of vitiligo, but fortunately it's going away. But can you see how he had made this into a point, and he couldn't do it here? So I tried to do that by using it this way, so touching it this way, and it does work. So I'm going to keep going. I'm going to still tidy this up a little bit more, and then yeah, I'm going to attack this. Okay, so I think I'm quite happy with that. So yeah, let's try doing these. Okay. So I'm gonna put this clip on, so just put it on from the top like that, and then just push down. And I don't know what grade. Let's try. So I'm looking at the bottom number, and I'm gonna do. Let's try with 5.4. See what happens. Okay, so yeah, it did cut a little bit. I'm gonna leave this because I don't want it to get any shorter. So I'm gonna attack these two now. I'm gonna go a little bit lower. Right, so 5.4 is actually the lowest. So I'll need to take this guard off then. I didn't realise that. Let's go up. So yeah, let's try 5 now without guard. Okay guys, sorry about the light. I think the light on this side is not showing properly what I've done, but basically I've gone from started at like 5.4 and I finished at 2.5. So anything shorter than this, I think yeah, it wouldn't look as good. So yeah, I think maybe in the future I might should have left it maybe at 3, but basically what I like about it is it goes in increments of 0.5. So yeah, that's a really handy thing. So yeah, let's now what's next to tackle? Okay, so I'm now gonna basically start shaping everything else up. So I'm gonna use a cut-throat blade and basically completely tidy this up. And one thing is, I was just about to start, but I wanted to see if I could do it here. This is a bit wide, so I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna use a cut-throat blade. Okay guys, so it's got hair all over it, so I'm gonna now wash it. So apparently you just lift it like this and then just rinse under water. So yeah, let's see. So basically I've just rinsed it out, but you can see that there is, if it focuses, there is basically some hair that is inside of it. So I'm going to do as they advise. I'm going to let it air dry, and then I'm going to use a brush and just that little coarse brush to remove hair. Okay guys, so I have now basically finished using this shaver, the BT9000 Prestige by Philips, and overall I just want to say it is amazing razor. Now for someone who's keeping a short beard, and the way it catched onto my skin, this thing is just amazing, because I've used clippers before. I've used various types in the past when I was very young, and it used to catch on my skin. This doesn't catch on your skin, which is really good. In terms of, well, I created a fade and tidied up this. So this is 0.6 and this is 2.5, and I can't remember what this is. I think this is like 5.4. It did it really well, and I'm just like super pleased with the results. So what are the pros in summary about this? One, it's nice and compact, and it comes with a nice case. Charging time is 2 hours. Power time is 2 hours after charging for 1 hour. You get a full shave with just 5 minutes quick charge, which is really good. The wheel makes it really easy to change grades, and you don't have like lots of heads, which is really good. You just add the other attachment, which is really good for doing the higher grades. So above all, this is a brilliant shaver. So certain things that I think could be improved upon is, what would be really good is if they had a smaller attachment for tidying up like hard to reach places. And this is like another thing which some of you may not agree with. It'd be nice to have come with like a little stand. That would be nice. And also the case is very thin and narrow, which is really cool. If they could make it a little bit, just a little bit bigger this way rather than this way, you could just put everything in there nicely. The hair, the brush and the gel, the lubricant, sorry, rather, and the attachment. That would be brilliant. But apart from that, it's an absolute brilliant shaver. Now, if you're somebody who just wants to have a quick shave using a shaver, I would really suggest getting this, the Philips One Blade. This would be an overkill, and it wouldn't do the job as good, because if you want a really close shave, the Philips One Blade is really good. But if you're somebody who wants to keep a short beard or a long beard, and you want to kind of change up the grades and stuff like that, and yeah, just to kind of give your hand at it basically, or maintain as much as you can after your barbers have like really shaped it up nicely, this is definitely worth buying. I can understand that from the reviews why people say like this is the best shave that they've had, because I just can't explain it. You have to experience it to really kind of know what it's like. So I bought this for £120 from Amazon. It came the next day, and you get I believe a 1-year warranty with it, which is really good. And as I mentioned before, all the information about the battery is here, and when you need to like lubricate it, a red little sign will come up on here. So I think that really concludes the BT9000 Prestige by Philips. I hope that helped for anyone who's trying to like on the fence or needs to make a decision. In the comments below, if you have any questions, just give me a shout, and yeah, hopefully I can help. So take it, guys, and have a good shave.